Britain and China have seen increasing cooperation in the electric vehicle sector over the past decade, as the two countries strive to pursue ambitious emission reduction targets. The CEO of a leading British automotive trade body has told Xinhua.
We speak today, a few days after COP26 is finished. Global desire, ambition to achieve net zero, and road transport is a major contributor of that transition. The UK government has set out its ambition that it wants to be road transport to be 100% zero emission by 2035. China's already further ahead down that road towards electrification. So, the industry and the market has to move very quickly over the next few years. So that's going to create tremendous opportunities for new entrants as well as existing players, because you need to put the product on the market that will attract people.
China has announced that it would strive to peak carbon dioxide emissions before 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality before 2060.
I think if you look at both investment and trade between China and the UK, that has been increasing over the last 10 years or so. Certainly China has been a big market for UK exporters, especially for our premium brands. And in terms of investment into the UK, we've seen Chinese companies set up R&D centres. I'm confident the global automotive industry faces massive challenges over the next 10, 20 years. We have to move away from petrol and diesel towards electric, towards hydrogen and other technologies.